Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel guys. Just in case you're new to this space, my name is Chika Okuta, a YouTuber based in Port from Nigeria. Yes, the rumor is true again. It is obviously and officially my anniversary weekend, 11th May. Thank you Jesus. We got married 6 years ago and I've known this man for like 10 years. We have 2 amazing children, like you guys must have seen, and it's been God's grace. All those things that they talk about marriage, this, that, this, it's true. Marriage is good, marriage is bitter, there are ups and downs, it can never be rosy, this, that. Just this weekend, we just want to unwind a little bit. 6 years, no be beans. 6 years is not a day's job. 6 years. It's not 6 weeks, it's not 6 months, neither is even 9 months. Yes, 9 months journey is another thing on its own. Marriage, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Otherwise, I've known this man for 10 years. When I was 7, that's when I met him. At the end of the day, one thing led to another. You guys already know the gist. Just in case you've not seen the video of how I met my husband, go and watch it. I'll try to link it up here so you guys can watch it. For people that are new to this space, please watch the video, watch my video this weekend, because you'll just be smiling sheepishly because we just want to go to 1 or 2 places, and at the end of the day we'll call it a memorable anniversary. Okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys around. We started the anniversary with this sumptuous breakfast and we enjoyed every bit of it. It was so yummy, so yum. This is a sauce that you should try to make. If you want a detailed video on how to make this cabbage sauce with vegetables, just let me know. I'll do a detailed video on how you can make this. This sauce bangs different every single time I make it, and my family members love it. This is us trying to just make memories. Yes, we laughed, we ate. This is us just trying to play Scrabble while we wait for our meal to come. Our drink was already here at this time. Oh boy, that waiting period is very annoying, but what are you going to do? So we just played little Scrabble we played before our meal came, and we were just smiling at each other and counting back. Hey, how 6 years has really been. It was, all I can say is marriage is nothing without God. Marriage is nothing without doing it with the right partner. Marriage is nothing without your support system and everybody just around you helping you thrive. It's not easy by God's grace. It is easy at the same time if we want it to be easy. So we just enjoyed ourselves. We played Scrabble. After this location, we even went to another location. Yes, we listened to some live band. We just, without the children, it was so beautiful. We took some pictures. Yes, I have some hot pictures here and there. Yes, it was just so, look at how, let's just pause. Take a minute to appreciate this beauty. Just take a minute. We're going to appreciate the works of God. The works of God in my life. Because, don't mind me, I was just trying to enjoy the moment. I don't like Scrabble. I was even telling my husband I had no job. If you know job, let me know in the comment section. I learned job. I prefer playing it than Scrabble. Not am I Scrabbling, but people took the interest, so I just had to, we had to make do with this. And I enjoyed every bit of it, though it was just a small something before our food came in, and we just started gisting and every other thing in between. It was a good time. The place was so beautiful, and What are you doing with the bag? No, it's not rice.
It's beans.
It's nkobi.
Mikobi.
Nkobi shew. Nkobi.
Mikobi shew.
Ishew.
Ishew.
Ishew. Alright guys. This is officially the end of our anniversary vlog.